You staying now?
Yeah.
It'd be even worse if you're here. Hello, welcome back to part 2 of my Olympus series. Today I'm just going to show you how to set up the settings on the camera so that you can work it easier. So I will show you on here. I have brought up on the screen the super control panel. So when you get your camera, it won't be set up for you to easily view this. So I'm just going to show you how to set that up on the settings, so that at the touch of a button, when you just press OK, you will literally have all of the different settings that you can choose, and you can literally from the touch screen you can then change all the values to suit what kind of photo you're taking and what environment. So that's literally all I'm doing today. I'm now going to show you how to set up the menu settings so that they're really easy to use. First of all, I'm going to turn on the camera, and then if you go to the menu button here, it'll bring up these icons. First of all, you want to go down to the spanner button here and press OK, and then you need to go down to menu display, and then when you get there you'll be given the option to switch the menu display on. So if you click onto it, and then if you press up, that will turn it on. So that's now switched on. So if you go out of that again, you will now see that you have the cogs displaying down the side, which is what you want. So if you go back to the main menu, now you want to select the cogs to get the super control menu, which is really handy to use. So here you want to go down to display, and then you want to select control settings. Select the PASM button. You can also have eye auto if that's what you use. Tick the live SCP option there on the menu, and then if you go back right to the start, and if you press the OK button, this will bring you up the super control menu, which is really useful to use. So if you're not really sure how to work your way around the camera, this will help you a lot. So you can sort of have a little look around at what settings you can change. You can see here I've got the camera set to RAW. Here is the different aspect ratios you can set everything at. So here you've got the different shooting modes, picture modes, all sorts of features. So if you pull this menu up, it will help you understand the features a little more. So if you want to join me in the part 3 of my series, subscribe to my channel, and if you also want to see part 1, just check out the link below in the description. Stay tuned for the next part, where I will be sharing some other tips and tricks with you.